Hello everyone, today I'm gonna tell you about Bethlehem, a city in eastern part of Pennsylvania. It's about 60 miles north from Philadelphia and 80 miles west of New York City. Bethlehem has a long history and was founded in 1741 by Moravian minister named Count Nicholas Zinzeldorf. Banana Factory is a cultural, art and education center located on historic South Side. Formerly a banana distribution warehouse, the art center features 63,000 square feet of space that is home for 30 resident artist studios, 3 galleries, hot glass studio, multiple classrooms, and Olympus Digital Imaging Center. Building also houses Pennsylvania Youth Theater, the Pediatric Cancer Foundation, and Santa Benon Fine Art. There you can find wide range of visual arts classes for children, teens, and adults. For example, glass blowing, clay jewelry, or one of the many other mediums that are available. Also there you can find Crayola Gallery artwork exhibition. The hallway to the art showcases beautiful photography between the Crayola Gallery and the Banco Gallery. The Banana Factory is also home of the Olympus Envision Photo Festival, showcasing the art of photography. You can check out schedule of events online before you visit, so you can plan your time accordingly. Bethlehem Steel was the primary steelmaking company in the United States, producing steel used in buildings like Rockefeller Center, Empire State Building, and the Golden Gate Bridge. During the World Wars, Bethlehem Steel manufactured millions of tons of armor plates, vessels, aircraft components, artillery, and munitions. However, the 1950s saw the seeds of Bethlehem's eventual destruction. Long story short, in November 1995, Bethlehem Steel stopped producing steel. Now Steel Stack campus is the largest revitalized brownfield in the country and is situated on 8 acres, the ruins of the former steel factory. Here located the ArtQuest Center. It has numerous events and activities held on a regular basis, including everything from comedy shows and concerts of all types to classes, tours, and top-notch movies shown in a Ale House-style cinema. The Levitt Pavilion Steel Stacks is an outdoor area that sits in the shadows of the blast furnaces on the campus. The Levitt Foundation provides funding to feature 53 summer concerts at this venue. Not only does Levitt Pavilion host concerts of every genre, it also showcases movies on the outdoor screen, allowing families to view them under the stars. You can go up the stairs and follow the path, bridge, and look closer at the blast furnaces. There is also information stands about local flora and steel and iron production. And you can stop by Visitor Center if you need of additional information about the Steel Stacks campus or the Lee Valley region, or if you need a restroom. The National Museum of Industrial History, a Smithsonian affiliate, is housed in a 18,000 square feet former electrical repair shop in iconic former Bethlehem Steel complex in Lee Valley. It is a short walk from the Steel Stacks area. It holds a collection of artifacts from textile, steel and iron, and also propane and gas industries. Tickets here are $15 for adults and $10 for kids. Outside area with displays of equipment are also interesting to walk around. Parking lot is big and convenient. If you are near Steel Stack campus and you like coffee, you can stop by local Lead Coffee Roastery. It is about 15 minutes walk from Industrial History Museum. They roasting their own coffee and bake their own pastries, so almost everything made in-house and everything is delicious. Near the entrance is a nice spacious chilling area with the couches and a lot of light, and also a lot of real plants. Here's also local artists supporting area and some nice art pieces on the walls. On the back is a roasting area and also some high tables, some of them made of doors, which is really cool. Workers here are nice and helpful. And like some reviews said, it's an interesting place to observe other people. When I was here, one gentleman talked with baristas about Bethlehem history and local architecture. Historic Bethlehem Museums and site is newly designed National Historic Landmark District. In the 18th century, Moravian settlers from Europe established a communal society here as a part of international religious network and social experiment. The goal of the Moravians in Bethlehem was to be a self-sufficient community on the colonial frontier in order to provide for themselves and for the missionaries in the field. For a time, they succeed. The museum property includes a connected series of 18th century stone buildings, which includes a 1744 single sister house and the 1746 bell house, both of which served as communal living facility, and the 1751 old chapel. The single sister house is located on the West Church Street near the Bethlehem Public Library. On the main street, along with the historic Bethlehem Hotel and some art galleries, you can also find Welcome Center. The historic Bethlehem Visitor Center is a place to start a visit to Bethlehem and order tickets, gather information, and shop in the museum store. Here you can buy some home decor, jewelry, personal care items, books, food, and drinks. Moravian University was founded in 1742 and it's the sixth oldest college in the United States also. It is the first university that opened its door for women. It traces its roots to the Bethlehem Female Seminary, which was founded in 1742. As the first boarding school for young women in the United States. Moravian University currently enrolls about 1,700 full-time undergraduate students in a wide variety of majors, all of which are presented in a liberal art tradition. Initially given in 1888 and settled in 1892, the North Campus is also known as the Main Street Campus, as it is physically larger and is the site of the majority of university's buildings, academic departments, administration, and students' residences. The main building of the Main Street campus is Comenius Hall, which was built in 1892 and is named for John Amos Comenius, the last bishop of Unity of the Brethren, known as the father of modern education for his revolutionary educational principles. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was interesting and helpful for you. Bye!